Alright, so in this video, we will learn how to create your own website in just 10 minutes using AI without having any knowledge of coding. So this is what you see on my screen, that I have created a fully working one pager website which is very handy and have all the information in one place. So as a full stack developer, crafting seamless digital experiences. So this is what I have created. So why a personal website is important, whether you are a crypto enthusiast, whether you have any different profession, whether you are a lawyer, whether you are a student, whether you are looking for job, whether anything you have, if you have one pager to explain about you, your career experiences, your achievements, about you, what do you want to pursue, your everything, social handles, anything, portfolio thing at one page, that gives a glance to the person who is watching about you, who is interested in you, that can actually see from one page whether what you are. So a personal website can give you edge during the interview process. So I have developed a minimal simple template for you to build it quickly. So I have created this and I've just posted 3 hours back, and this is the GitHub. So if you don't know about coding, then there is no problem. I will explain you how to create full-fledged website using AI tools. So this is a GitHub repository, and I've seen like a lot of portfolio websites are listed here of the developers. So this is another website, this is another website, this is another website, and this is the website. So website is very important. As you can see, this is my website. So it has URL. So in this video, I will tell you how to create such websites, and you can deploy, and you can actually get the URL, and that URL can be shared with anyone and they can see anything about yourself. So now, as you can see, this is about me, that I am a full stack developer. You can connect with me, and that will lead you to the Telegram. Small glances, like I have 4 years of experience, 5+ hackathon wins, and 8,000 YouTube subscribers. And here hackathon projects. So I've listed 3 projects and with their links, and it's working. And these are my experiences as a career experience in which I have worked in the past. And about myself, this is a bio, all my social links, LinkedIn, GitHub, Twitter, and YouTube. And resume, if you click here, then it will lead you to my resume. So this is one pager that explains almost everything in a very concise manner at one place. So these kind of website, these kind of web pages, personal portfolio pages are very important. Whenever somebody asks about yourself, just send this link and they can get at least basic understanding about yourself, whether you are fit for their thing or not. So how to create that? So I will introduce a tool called bolt.neo. So this is a tool by which you can actually create any website. You can literally write the code, whatever you want, as it is saying what you want to build. Prompt, run, edit, and deploy full stack web application. So how it does it? It's very simple. You have to write it down, the prompt over here. So let me write it down. Create a landing page website for me. I am a full stack developer. Build a website for me. Let's see what it will give us. So it's writing all the code for us. You don't need to do anything here. Alright, we have our website ready. Full stack developer, a basic sub headline, contact me, view project, and then tech stack, front end, back end database, few projects. So he had created with dummy data. How faster it is. So it is able to create it, and now you can actually use it. You can actually customize it anything, like full stack developer. So let me ask him, replace full stack developer text with my name, Tahir Ahmed, and add that in subheading. Let's see what it is doing. So you have to be good with the prompt. So whatever you want to achieve, you should be able to write clearly into the prompt, and it will do everything for you. So now Tahir Ahmed is here, full stack developer, turning ideas into elegant scalable solution. It's very simple and your website is ready. So how much time does it take? It just took around 5 to 6 minutes. But I have a pro tip. So this is not something that you can actually make it better. So how you can do something out of the box. So for that, I will take you to the Dribbble website. So this is Dribbble, and here you can actually get the inspiration about the different websites. So this is portfolio landing page, and I have searched through Dribbble here. You can also search and you can choose out of the search results which one looks better to you. So mine personally is that dark theme, which has, so because if you see, these are the different web pages. These are even longer one. Why I love that one? Because that is very simple and almost everything at one place. So I think that is what I love it. So I will directly do it is, I will take the screenshot of this and let's see if it is able to build exactly the same website for you. Let's see. I have taken this screenshot, saved it, and then let's go to the Bolt and let's upload it here. And this is what I have uploaded. All right. Can you build the website exactly same as given in the screenshot? Let's see if it is able to customize it, and then we will change everything one by one. I will help you recreate the website exactly as shown in the screenshot. I'll update the layout and styling to match the design. It's working for us. Oh, interesting. Now you can see our whole website is ready. This is full stack crafted. Connect with me. 4+ year of experience. Hackathon wins with a good profile picture. Hackathon portfolio. There we have experience. Gobble AI, Polka Bridge, Riser, social links. And about this website is even better than mine. And you can actually change it. For example, let's put in this data, whether it is able to change it or not. All right. Suppose this is you, and if you have to change it for yourself, can you update my details? Let's see. It is working for us even faster than any developer to build an elegant, best website. Hey, I'm Yogesh Sani. I build things for the web. Discover the spoken, my resume, mail me, experience, hackathon project, and this is the bio. You can change anything. You can change literally anything. You can change these links, about, resume, everything. Just give the prompts over here. And the best thing is you don't need to have any server, any hosting to deploy your website. What you will do is, there is a button over here called deploy. If you click here, this will deploy this website to a server, and that will give you a link, and you can use this link and you can copy and paste anywhere. You can give it to anyone and they will be able to access this website. You don't need to have any domain, any hosting, just an AI tool. So now you can see your site has been successfully deployed. You can view at this. Let's click here. All right, so your website is ready. About yourself, picture, and this is the URL. I will add this URL into the description box of this video so that you can see how easy it was to create your own website. So anybody is able to like watching this video, and if they feel this, you should also have a create your portfolio website. And if you're able to do it, just paste your website link into the comment box of this video so that we can actually build a community around it and see how people are able to build a website and to see the people's creativity level using AI. So that's all about the whole video, how to create your own website, and see you into the next video with more useful tools in AI, crypto, and everything into this YouTube channel. Just hit on the subscribe button if you have not yet subscribed to this YouTube channel. Thank you.